Welcome to my Fakeaway series where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking this banging salt and pepper chicken, and don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. The missus said this was the best fakeaway yet. Get your chicken into a bowl, then add a pinch of salt and a beaten egg. Give it a good mix, then in a separate bowl combine corn flour, Chinese five spice and salt, then dredge the chicken through the flour. Then knock off any excess. Do this a few at a time for best results. Fry in oil heated to 180°C for about 4 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 75°C. I like to do this in 2 batches as not to overcrowd the pan. Stir fry the onion and the white part of the spring onion for a couple of minutes, then add in the crispy chicken and spices. The exact amounts are in the caption, but these flavourings are chili flakes, black pepper, Chinese five spice, some seasoning and some salt. Toss well, then add in as much fresh chili as you can possibly handle. And finally, the green spring onion. Toss well, then serve with a portion of fried rice. What would you like to see next in the Fakeaway series? Make sure to like and follow for more content. Banging!